category A winner. In third place, A76, 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 A76. Parabéns! For the second winner of category A is A4, A4. And the first winner for the kids coloring competition category A is A berapa? A berapa? A4 udah, second winner. A berapa yang mau dipanggil? Siapa kira-kira juaranya? The first winner is A56. A56, oh, parabéns. Now for category B, the third winner for category B is B29. Oh, parabéns, congratulations. Okay, second winner is B9. B9. Iya kalay?
Di atas.
Oh, di sini. Okay, parabéns. Okay, the first winner for the kids coloring competition at Singapore International School category B is B8. B8. Yay!
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell too. See you next time, more fun.